Right then, good morning. It's Sunday morning, and I decided for the first time I was going to go to Legoland. It's a discovery centre, which of course you have to have a kid with you, but the shop is open to the public, so it's not a problem. I thought I'd go and have a look because we're not getting any new sets in the shops right now, so I thought I'd just take a ride on the bike, motorbike that is, across the bridge onto the European side. It's about half an hour on a Sunday morning because everyone's still sleeping. I got there for opening time, 10 o'clock, and to my surprise there was new sets that weren't in the shops, which is very strange, but I'll now show you the video of the walk around the store, so you can have a look and see what it's like, and then come back and I'll show you what I bought. So let's see what I bought after the video. Legoland, Istanbul. Just bought my haul, which was a lot of money, but here's the pick-a-brick, which is unfortunate because it's all mixed up. Same colour but all mixed up, which is a pain. Oh, look, it's not good. So I just grabbed handfuls. Big, very big. And it had all the latest Star Wars stuff except for the Millennium Falcon. Bumblebee. And the shops don't have them, so it's like really weird. Has them here, but not the shop. This is one that I might get, but I'll get later. The remote control new Porsche, I think it is. Yeah, Porsche GT4. Some of the big sets are here. It's very actually disappointing about the Star Wars stuff because, okay, there's the new Onyx Cinder. What else? The mashup, Rebuild the Galaxy, the Skiff. They did have the droids, but that's gone. But I don't have the one that I really wanted, which was the Millennium Falcon. Shame. Here's the Marvel stuff, which is looking good. I'm not into that Marvel as much, so I don't really want. Have they got the battle pack? Let me see what this is. Yeah, they do. And that's cool. How much is that? 900. I might get one of those as a late edition. They don't have the big sets. They do have some of them, but it's a shame, but whatever. Then we've got Minecraft, Sonic the Hedgehog. They have the train as well. I've seen the train. Marvel, I was interested in the dancing Groot, but they don't have the dancing Groot, which is a shame. I mean, I'm not complaining because this is better than the local shops. They don't have anything. I went yesterday. They have absolutely nothing from the new stuff. So I do like that dragon, but I'm going to wait till later. Not a priority. Some of the Jurassic Park stuff. City. Load of city stuff here. Some of them you'll recognise I've already got from my channel. Have got the new train, which looks cool. It's the tram, downtown tram, so that's cool. They have the excavator. When you walk past this thing, it goes off. Okay, and then they've got this stuff has been here for a while, so they've got a lot. Very cool. It's a shame they don't have the Space Alien pack, because that looks awesome. Okay, then we got the Lego Mario stuff again. There's the train set, quite expensive in here. Some stuff is cheap, some stuff is expensive. So, I mean, I'm guarantee what I bought today, I paid a darn sight more than you pay in the States or the UK. But it is what it is. Got some cool stuff. Some Creative 3-in-1s. Do like the hamster set, but what am I going to do with a hamster set? Except build it and put it on display somewhere. Friends. All the key rings here. A ton of key rings here. So many. We have the minifig station, which is not that big, which is very surprising. I thought it would be, but whatever. Dreams. Little Harry Potter section. Not that much. So, and it says on their website, amazing discounts on your favourite sets. There isn't a single product here with a discount on it, which is typical of Turkey. We don't do sales in Turkey. But yeah, some interesting stuff. We've got the new message board, which I didn't get. I got the original one. I might buy it later, but not all that, really. And we got like the swords, Legoland stuff. I was thinking of getting this, but again, what am I going to do with it? You've got the new flowers in, the plum blossom and the chrysanthemum. I can say it right, it's chrysanthemum. If I couldn't, I wouldn't be an English teacher. Anyway, so that's your tour. Oh, there's another minifig station here as well. Anyway, yeah, all good. I'll show you what I got when I get home. Right then, so hope you enjoyed that little tour. I'm not sure how good the video looks, but it should be okay. It was on the phone. Let's start with the haul then, shall we? Okay, first of all, I went to the Lego store, normal Lego store, the other day, and I'm heavily into Christmas. I love Christmas. It's my favourite time of year, and they had one of these come into stock, so I bought it. Just to show you this. This is very, very cool. You can either use it as a wreath on the door, or you can use it as like a candle placeholder thing. So I have a plan for this, so we'll see if my plan works. Maybe it does, maybe it doesn't. But anyway, that was that. That wasn't from the Legoland store. Let's go for this, which is very, very awesome. Okay, so the downtown tram. I wanted this as soon as I saw it online. I thought, yeah, this would be really cool. I'm going to try to motorise it. Not sure if it will. I'm hoping it will. But you get a little station with it. Both sides like platforms, so that's cool. And minifigs. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 minifigs. A dog. You got the blind guy with the blind dog, which is really cool, and you got the girl in the wheelchair, which is nice. Nice touch. I do like that sort of stuff, because not everybody's the same. You got a little ATM there, and the station, train times and things on the wall. And then here's the back, which looks very cool. It shows you can put all the stations together if you want, or you can put them separate sides. Inside the carriage, you've got 1, 2, 3 carriages. It's double-ended, which is really cool. So if I can motorise it, I can make it go both ways. The tram line going up and down would be kind of cool, but we'll see what happens. So yeah, there's that one. Now, price-wise, I've been telling you that we pay more money than most of you guys. Here's the proof. This one is set 60423 tram, and you guys in the States paid $90. I paid $108, 25% more. All these prices are roughly 25% more. So just goes to show you that I'm not lying, it is the truth. So there's that one. Okay, put that one down. Then we'll go with, had to get this, even more expensive, but I wanted the minifig, of course, which everybody's after, which is this one here. Very, very cool. Exclusive to this set. Whether it stays exclusive, we don't know. This is set 75396, and it's the Desert Skiff and Sarlacc Pit. You get Boba Fett, Luke Skywalker, Han Solo, Chewbacca, and Lando Calrissian, which is very cool. And of course the Nien Numb minifigure, which is awesome. So yeah, I got this one. And everybody's complaining about it in the States, about how much it costs. You've got the pit, you've got the vehicle, which is cool. I kind of like it. It's got some play features on it as well, if you look. So I thought, yeah, I'm gonna buy it, and give you an example of this price. Okay, so the skiff, you pay $80. I paid $100 for this. So it is what it is. I keep saying it, but I don't understand why they're so much more expensive over here. This is a recent thing. All the prices went up for no reason whatsoever. Then I got this. Before anybody says anything, I didn't buy this so that I can transform it. I bought this because I think the car is very, very cool. I think it looks really nice. Everybody that's reviewed this has said, well, you know, it takes ages, like up to 20 minutes to transform it, which I can believe by watching the videos. But I thought I'd get it as it was there, which I wasn't expecting at all. I really like the Volkswagen, so I think I'll display it as a car rather than a robot, or maybe I can change it up every now and again and swap it between the two. But it's not the kind of thing. they show this here. Look, this is not true. It's not that easy. The instructions are tons of pages long. But anyway, I get the Bumblebee. This is set number 10338, 950 pieces. Very, very cool. Not a huge Transformer fan, but like I said, I love that car. The shape of that car looks really awesome. Now, price-wise, in the States, you pay $90. I paid $113. So there you go. There's that one. I'm not complaining. I'm just like trying to show you how much more it is. Now, yes, I had to, didn't I? I really did. Again, comes with exclusive minifigure. Exclusive, yes. Young Princess Leia and LA 59, whatever the heck that is. I think it's the little bot that she's holding. And you can customize your droids. It's called the Creative Play Droid Builder, which I thought would be a little bit of fun. Also with an exclusive minifig, 25th anniversary again. So I have them all so far, so I couldn't not buy it. I do like the cowboy version. I do like R2-D2 with his duck. He's kind of cool. And of course you've got, the Katie bot, isn't it? Is it called Katie? Katie robot, which was named after the creator's daughter. Box is a bit damaged, but hey, can't have everything. I thought this would be kind of cool. You got lots of different accessories and stuff, and I will probably do a build on this showing the standard ones and then showing the different things that you can put on it. But that was kind of cool. Again, another expensive set for everybody in the States, but here in Turkey, again, very, very expensive. So let's turn it around that way. Okay, droids, you pay $99. I paid $126. Turkey tax. I think that was actually a little bit more than 25%, but only slightly. They all averaged out to 25%. So there's that one. And then we got, if I can find it. Okay, there we go. I bought this, the Onyx Cinder. I think kind of one of the reasons was I couldn't get my Millennium Falcon, and this looked interesting. And it's got the new figures from the show. So yeah, I thought I'd get that. How many minifigs do we get with this one? Does it show us? No, it doesn't. GG's, awesome. 1, 2, 3, 4. By the looks of things, maybe 4 minifigs, and there's plenty of play features. You can turn the motors so that they're in landing position. Oh yeah, here we go, 5. So we've got Jod, who we're presuming is a star of the new show. Wim, Fern, KB, and Neil. Neil looks cool. Jod looks cool. And the ship itself looks really awesome. So I bought that one, Onyx Cinder. It's got, like I say, rotating guns. It's got rotating all sorts of stuff, and the motors you can put in landing position or thrust position. So I thought that was kind of cool. Yeah, so that'll be an interesting one to build. So that one, set 75374. 75374. You pay $140. I paid $175. I am crazy. And the last but not least, I had to do it. Legoland brick, which has got the Legoland print on it. I love Legolands, and the little boy with a hat. I thought that would be cool. That was about $9. Yeah, $9. But I haven't got anything like this. I've never been to a Legoland before. To visit the Discovery Centre, you have to have a child with you under the age of 18. They do this is a magnetic one, by the way. They do adult days. I think it's like the first Wednesday of each month, but the cost is crazy. I'm not all that interested, to be honest, to go to the Discovery Centre, but the shop was a big surprise. Now this is the same distribution company as the shops, so why the shops don't have them but the Lego store does at Legoland, I don't know. And I guarantee there were sets out the back of the Millennium Falcon they put by for people, but they said to me they didn't receive them. That would have been one of the first ones they would have got, guaranteed it. But whatever, is what it is. I have it on order at my local Lego store, so when it comes in we'll get it. But yeah, this is magnetic, so that's kind of cool. I really like it. They did a girl version as well, but I thought I'd just stick with the boy, because I'm a boy. Alright, so that's that. That's the haul. I am going to build the skiff and the droids first, I think. And I'll probably start with the skiff. Watch out for those videos, they're going to be up fairly soon. I shall shuffle some of the scheduled ones around so that I can fit these in now, as it's early for me, very early. And smash the like button, subscribe if you want to. We're nearly there again, nearly at 2,000 subscribers. That's my goal for now, and then I want to creep up and up and up and up. We'll see. This does cost me a lot of money to do these videos with buying the sets. I enjoy the sets. I'm actually probably going to start selling some of them, because not running out of space as such, but things that I enjoy building, but you know, don't really look at that often. I may as well just sell them to somebody that wants to keep them, and I won't be selling them at expensive prices either. So, anywho, see you later. Thanks for watching the video. Bye bye.